Welcome back, guys. After a while of not being able to get myself, I guess, kind of involved back into the vehicle and recording videos, I'm back recording a video. Hopefully, you guys, this inspire you guys or get you motivated to also finishing up some of the projects you guys have to do, or just jumping back into some of the vehicles you guys have to finish. I'll be putting in new front CVs on both sides. That's the old one, this is the new one, and we also have one for the passenger side. Also, I'm going to be replacing the front wheel bearings. We have our differential thing. We're going to be throwing this differential. I already went over. I sealed it. I replaced all the seals on this differential. Also, all of the mounting points are brand new, and the drive shaft, obviously I didn't do anything to, because I mean, I'm hoping that it's good, so I don't have to touch that. But last time that I was disassembling this car, probably going to show you in the video, but I never got around doing anything about this wheel bearing. So I hope that gets picked up by the camera. Is the same on this side. Let me get this light on. But on this side it's the same. So I hope that that's loud enough and it picks it up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a time lapse, and I'm gonna get the differential out, because I still have the differential in there, so you can see right there. I'm gonna get that differential out, swap it with the other one, put the other one in, and I'm gonna reassemble everything back together. We also have here from a year or two that I bought the rear wheel bearings. I'm gonna just get them out, put the new ones in if possible, but then we gotta go back to the radiator, and then like that we'll be ready to take this thing back to the wild, because it's kind of boring just going to work and not actually having something to do on the weekends. So the larger reason why we're doing this upgrade is because I've been meaning to find a way to get a locker in this truck. However, when I went last weekend with my wife to Mount Washington, at the time of returning home, I noticed that the driver's side CV axle have completely come out of the differential, and gear fluid went everywhere. So, it was kind of like, God telling me, like, come on, let's get this done, or the vehicle telling me, come on, it's time to put in this newer differential in. So I ended up getting this CV axles and some other components just to get the vehicle put it back together. I'm also going to be trying to see if we can probably go to Pennsylvania, go to A08A and see if we can do Barney Robo and Crawl Daddy, see if we can get some of those harder trails under our belt. I think we completed already Barney Robo once, but I want to get it done, see if maybe we can document it, record it on a video. It's just a small crawl. It probably take 2 to 3 hours, so nothing major, but I just want to get it done. Again, me and the wife work a lot, so whenever we actually do have time to go out, we usually just go trying to make it now a thing of probably go camping or go hang out with the family. So this is a little of our little escape. So this vehicle represents a lot for me, not just a vehicle that gets me from point A to point A to B, but more a vehicle that allows me to go out and explore with my wife, myself, or family members that may come along with us, or friends. So yeah, just want to give you guys a little background on the reasoning why I'm tackling this now. So now back to the video, and if you like the videos, or if you want me to tackle anything, let me know. And if you like it, drop a like, and see you in the next one, man. All right, so I was able to get everything put back together. I also installed my sway bar because I didn't have the sway bar on. So I put the sway bar back on. We got new wheel bearings, we got new axles, well, new CB axles. Well, technically new axles, yeah, because we got, well, axle. We got the front differential in there, brand new differential. Brand new CB axles on both sides, brand new bearings on both sides, and drive shaft, it just went back on. So yeah, now it is just to tackle the radiator and the rear wheel bearings on this. But I don't want to make the video you know, too long for you guys to be able to enjoy it, so that will be maybe on a part 2. So you guys have a good one, and take care of yourselves.